Today, we're going to be reviewing the EMEET Piko Plus. It's a webcam, it's about $90, and it's got 2 cameras in it, and it's kind of cute. Let's get into it. So it's got 4K, clearer and more natural. Compared to common webcams, the Piko Plus dual camera design enables more natural exposure and imaging. It's got AI enhanced facial imaging optimization so that you stay naturally defined, never over processed. It's got AI driven autofocus, 3 times faster autofocus even with rapid movement. It's got friendly, approachable aesthetics. It's got 3 noise canceling mics. It's got Piko Plus captures your voice with precision while filtering out unwanted background noise, delivering outstanding sound quality in any environment without the need for extra external microphones. We'll see about that. It's got 3 types of AI modes. It's got streaming mode, which is a moderate steady state noise cancellation auto gain. Noise canceling mode, which is a stronger noise cancellation for steady state noises such as noise from AC, other devices. It's got an emphasis on human voice and it's good for meetings. And the original mode, which reproduces the original sound without any noise cancellation. And then of course you have the adorable accessories. You have the cute webcam covers. You got the little webcam mount to put on top of your monitor. You have EMEET Studio, which we'll be checking out later on in the video. And I want to talk a little bit about the difference between the Piko Plus and the Piko. You can get the same quality, 4K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 on both. However, the EMEET Piko doesn't come with the AI auto framing. It doesn't come with the magnetic privacy covers. With the better sensor and better low light performance, I see no reason why spending the extra $20 on the Piko Plus wouldn't be worth it. Personally, if I was going to pick between the two and it's only a $20 difference, I usually just go with the Plus. I'm already spending more than I would like, which is $0 because I'm cheap. That ain't bad. Look at that side angle. Oh, that looks pretty good. I haven't even used like the studio or anything. Hey, little buddy, what's going on? All right, little guy. All right, little buddy. I'm kind of impressed. Low key. Let's test out the mic. We can test out the mic. It's pretty close. So let's test out the mic.
All right. Oh, it actually looks good on OBS. I don't have auto tracking on or anything. Okay, and this is with none of my like settings in OBS I have for my audio. This would just be raw. So this is what you would expect. EMEET Piko Plus.
Okay, so real quick, I kind of wanted to go over, this is the EMEET, like I said. I have it set up as a hand cam, and I'm going to show you why. Because the autofocus on this is awesome, and compared to my other hand cam, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the focus wasn't quite there. None of the auto adjustment and stuff like that was working, but this thing focuses fast, no matter where you put stuff. You want to show off a product, whatever. Take it away. It's going to focus back on the desk. Put it back in frame. Item. Desk. Item. All right. That's pretty freaking quick. Look at that. That's like instant, dude. Yeah, I can't really find the software to download, so I can't speak to the performance of the AI auto tracking, like I said, but it's not on a gimbal or anything, so don't expect a huge range of motion. It's a camera that can't turn. It does have 2 eyeballs. I think it's super cute. The indicator light is also directly under the 2 webcams, making it kind of look like a cute little face. I think they're right. And then they got this little magnetic cover, making it look like a cute little panda. I like it. It's actually really cute. The quality is surprisingly adequate. Like I said, this is a $90 webcam. It's very small, like this big, packed with features. So if you're looking for something cute or you're looking for a gift, check it out. EMEET Piko Plus. Link in description. $70 for the regular, $90 for the Plus. Plus gives you the AI stuff and slightly better sensors. I want to make a quick mention that I wasn't able to download the software. Well, I finally found it in the website. It was asking for a weird level of access, and then it had like Chinese lettering, so I wasn't able to figure out like what exactly I was downloading. So it's kind of up to you guys. You know, it's up to your own discretion whether you want to use the software or not. Software optional. You can just plug it in and use it directly through OBS. The only thing you're missing out on, like I said, is like the AI. Other stuff you can change through OBS settings. No need for that software. So if you like the camera, maybe check out the regular Piko without the AI. That way you can save $20. But this one does have pretty good sensors. I like it. Like I said, I just can't verify for sure whether the EMEET Studio is trustworthy or not. So for me, I wouldn't download it, but I am actually going to continue to use the camera regardless of not having any control over it. I like it. It's very high quality, and I'm probably just going to use it for my new Handcam. So can't vouch for the safety, but would buy it is like a weird thing to say, but I like it and I'm going to use it. Pros, cons, whatever. I think it's a good camera. So. And not much else to say. I think it's adorable. I love it. Check it out. See you in the next tech review. Peace.